In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your primary phone number on PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your account uses the correct number for alerts and security codes. Start by opening your web browser and going to the PayPal website. Sign in to your account as you normally would. If you're prompted for a quick security check, go ahead and complete it so you can access your settings. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear and opens your account profile and preferences. Inside Settings, find the section dedicated to your personal info and look for the area labeled Phone Numbers. This is where PayPal keeps all the numbers associated with your account, and it's also where you'll choose which one will be your primary. Your primary phone number is important because PayPal may use it to send you verification codes, alerts, and account notifications, so make sure it's a number you actively use and can access on short notice. Next, click on Change in the Phone Numbers area. This action will bring up a list of the numbers already linked to your account. You'll see your current primary number identified, as well as any additional numbers you've previously added. Take a moment to double-check that the number you want to use is listed correctly, including the country code if applicable. From the list, select the phone number you want to make primary. Choosing it here tells PayPal this is the number you want to rely on for key account contacts and security prompts. If you manage multiple lines, pick the one you keep with you most often, and that can reliably receive calls or texts. After you've selected your preferred number, click Done to save your changes. You should see confirmation on the screen, and the newly chosen number will be marked as your primary. If the page doesn't update right away, a quick refresh usually shows the change. Remember, updates like this can affect two-step verification and other security features, so it's a good idea to keep this number current and accessible. That's all there is to it. You went to PayPal, opened Settings, navigated to Phone Numbers, clicked Change, selected the number you want, and confirmed with Done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your PayPal account secure and up to date.